Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications here, I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies as well as a few non-teaching vacancies also from one of the government college. And here there is opportunity for the non-UGC as well as the UGC candidates. And the assistant professor is a level 10 category, so it is as per the 7th CPC. The salary is in between 57,700 to 98,200 rupees per month.
So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards, for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys.
Soon the Unacademy Plus subscription plans are going to increase, that you may check down current price and the new price. So from the 1st Feb onwards, the prices are going to increase. So before increase, take the subscription plan, guys. And for the iconic subscription plans also, here the prices are there. So these prices are going to get effective from the 1st Feb onwards. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here you may check down the college is Ghani Khan Chowdhury Institute of Engineering and Technology, West Bengal. So here the advertisement are there regarding the faculty positions and the technical staff positions as well as the non-teaching positions are also there that we may check down, and applications are invited for following teaching and non-teaching positions in the prescribed format. So here the department wise and the assistant professor caste category wise and the foreman and the senior technical assistant and the technical assistant. Okay, the number of vacancies as per the caste category wise they mentioned here. And while coming to the departments, they are civil, computer science and engineering, electrical, food processing, mechanical, electronics and communication, physics, chemistry, mathematics, English, sociology, and few non-formal are there. Of course, there are no vacancies for the non-formal. So total 20 vacancies are there under the assistant professor category. And while coming to the non-teaching administrative post, deputy registrar, assistant registrar, senior assistant cashier, and the junior assistant. So under the general category, total 6 vacancies are there from the non-teaching administrative post that you may check down here. And coming to the pay scales, all the pay scales are as per the 7th CPC. So coming to the assistant professor, it is a 57,700 to 98,200 rupees per month. The qualification, experience and age limit. Coming to the assistant professor under the engineering technology department, the qualification required is BE or BTech, ME or MTech, or else the integrated MTech in the relevant branch with first class or equivalent in any one of the degrees. So for the engineering or the technology departments, there is no necessity of the UGC NET qualification. But while coming to the science and humanities department, master's degree with 55% of marks, and along with that one, the NET SLET or SET qualification is required. Okay. And the foreman, BTech or diploma, and the senior technical assistant, so BE or BTech, or the first class diploma, fine. The knowledge of computer applications, and here the age limit is also given here. And coming to the technical assistant, diploma or equivalent in the relevant trade of engineering or technology, or else the first class BSc, and the desirable and the age limit is given here. And the deputy registrar and assistant registrar. Coming to the senior assistant cashier and the junior assistant. Okay, so the 10 plus 2 is required, essential and desirable proficiency in other computer and stenography skills. So whoever the candidates belongs to these departments, then the interested candidates may apply by filling the relevant application form. So here the link is given here. So you have to click on this one, then you will be directed to the online application form fill up. Anyhow, for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you may check down at the end, just go to the end of the description box. Then you will find out the link of this PDF and upload a scanned copies of all certificates or documents with photograph and application fee as per the instructions. And the last date is given here, 10th March 2021. And the method of selection for the post of assistant professor will be through a written test and interview. Fine. So candidates who have applied for the different positions against the advertisement 02 by 2019 need not apply again. However, they may update their biodata and submit any additional achievements during this period. Fine. So the mail ID is also given here, and few service conditions and the general instructions are given. So you might just carefully follow up this. Okay, so if you want to apply for the different posts, then you have to apply the separate applications, and application fees also you have to pay separately. So these are the details, guys, and it is an online application link, okay, that you may check down. The last date is 10th March 2021, and the instruction, okay, if you want you may go through the instructions here. Okay, so it is online application process, guys. Okay, so for more details and the accurate details, please visit the official website of this university and then check down. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here an announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UG Senate candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.